for 5-star. Let's just get out of Wiseman's way. I can't do a control zoom, I have to do a full power zoom to keep the noise level down. We did find a replacement camera, we just need some help to get all of it. Barent on the power, bringing the 660 Bobcat onto a plane. Two 104 stroke Yamahas on the back. The replacement camera is also second hand, but yeah, in the moisture these cameras die very quickly, so we use them as disposables. Comes with a 6-month warranty. So guys, if you do want to help, the link is in the description. Well done, Barent. The easy launch here at Maphelane. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. That's wave dancer being pushed, 930 Bobcat with two 204 stroke Suzuki's on the back. Nice push, Wiseman. Yes, it looks very bad from this side, but Leon is finding his mojo through the waves. He's going north. You're out of my zoom range, Leon. I'm way into digital at the moment. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. And that's a push for advantage charter 1, while watching here at St Lucia. Wiseman is the launch master. Meter bent cat floating nicely, 250 V6 4-stroke Suzuki's on the back. This is definitely a sandbank forming here in the front. John gave it the wide berth. It's turning east now. Well done, happy while watching, enjoy the. That was a push for the 8 30 Bobcat with two 204 stroke Suzuki's on the back, Free Spirit 2. The other permit holder here in St Lucia for whale watching. Yeah, we've got focus eventually. Just came around the point of the white water, turning east. Well done, happy whale watching, enjoy the trip. Guys and gals, if you like this video, please hit the super thanks button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button or join our community.